The Moulage program is a very important program, I think. It's really necessary for battlefield triage and training.
Moulage is the art of using movie makeup and theater techniques to create realistic fake injuries.
I have been doing makeup and creature effects for 45 years. Movies like Aliens and Predator, Monster Squad, Leviathan. And so I thought I'd invite the Moulage team to take a tour of my studio.
I teach the classes in Moulage that we've offered to the military for some time. I had a nearly 40-year career as a makeup artist, and realism is always paramount to us.
It's not just throw blood on people. It's like you got to really understand anatomy and study the wounds and then recreate them realistically.
So we've done that successfully for the past several years with the military, and little maybe Hollywood behind-the-scenes secrets to sharpen up their skills.
It is, I think, a real good foundation for movie and TV gore is to understand the anatomy and the body and how it reacts to trauma. For me, there's a connection because my father was a USMC.
My dad was a military guy in the U.S. Air Force. He was an airplane mechanic.
I think that there's a really good discipline that comes out of people with military training.
Said he could take apart and put together a P-51 in his sleep.
I've been associated with the Cinema Makeup School for 12 years now, and I'm on the board. And I think they try to really do a great job of preparing students for the real world. And I think that CMS does a great job in giving you the maximum number of tools so that you could start off your career and that people will take a chance on you.